In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Onedrive Connectivity error code 0x8004de40. This error can sometimes sneak up on you, especially when you're in the middle of something important and need to access your files quickly. But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve this issue without breaking a sweat. First, let's understand what this error actually means. The error code 0x8004de40 typically signals a connectivity issue between your computer and Onedrive servers. This can occur for a number of reasons, ranging from network settings to temporary glitches. So, it's crucial to walk through each step carefully to ensure we address all possible causes. We'll start by checking your internet connection, as this is often the root of the problem. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. This might sound elementary, but an unstable Wi-Fi connection could easily be the culprit. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection as it's generally more reliable. Test your internet by opening a few websites to confirm everything is running smoothly. If you notice any lag or disconnection, resolve those issues first. Next, let's move on to the date and time settings on your computer, as misconfigured settings can interfere with Onedrive. Head over to your system's settings, and ensure that the date and time are set to update automatically from the internet. This step may seem like it's addressing an unrelated issue, but incorrect date and time settings can lead to authentication problems with online services, including Onedrive. Now that we have your internet and system time in order, let's address any proxy settings that might be causing connectivity issues. Open your internet settings and locate the proxy settings. If a proxy is enabled and you're not using one intentionally, disable it. Proxy servers can sometimes block certain applications from connecting to the internet properly. After adjusting the proxy settings, the next step is to reset your Onedrive account credentials. Open the Onedrive application and click on the Settings or Help icon. From here, locate the Account section, where you can sign out of your account. After signing out, restart your computer, then sign back into Onedrive. This action helps refresh your connection to Onedrive servers, which might be all you need to fix the error. If you're still facing issues, it's time to check for Onedrive updates. Sometimes, simply updating the application resolves various bugs, including connectivity problems. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Onedrive, and install any available updates. Keeping your applications up to date ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. Finally, if none of these solutions work, consider contacting Microsoft support for further assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation. With these steps, you should now be able to overcome the Onedrive connectivity error code 0x8004de40 and get back to accessing your files seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.